Hi, this is Vinny Wells at Tameron Hyundai. Thanks for inquiring about the beautiful Kona. It comes with a honeycomb grille, wraparound headlights, fog lights, 16-inch alloy wheels. On the inside, we see a beautiful cloth interior, tilted telescopic steering wheel with audio and cruise controls on the steering column, as well as a 7-inch LED audio display. I'm Vinny Wells. Call me at 334-7131. Our Black Friday event has always started. You can get your best deal today. So come down and see us at Tameron Hyundai, where you're going to love the way you're treated.